Linking your bank account to Skrill is the smartest move you can make. It gives you the lowest fees and the highest limit. Here's how to do it. Go to deposit or withdraw, then choose bank account. Skrill will ask you for your bank details such as your IBAN, BIC, whatever, account number or router number, depending on where you live. Next, Skrill may send 2 small verification deposits to your bank. Log in to your online banking, check the exact amounts, and enter them back into Skrill to confirm ownership. Once verified, okay, your bank account will be linked permanently, and you can now deposit with almost zero fees, withdraw funds with the lowest cost, send money abroad at a better exchange rates, boost your account limits. Withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. Pro tip: linking a local bank account gives you the best transfer speed and avoids extra international banking fees. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.